Break ID number 5782. 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball 2-box break. Combo spots based on hit count, so there's no PC team bonus. Go. And there you go. 2 left in Chronicles Baseball. I just added a 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball. That's already down to 10. Acuna rookie. Nice. Royce Lewis, number 5 overall prospect. To the Twins. Joshua H.A. Jaron Kendall. Dodgers. Ryan T.H. Tristan Lutz. Brewers. Brett H.E. Andres Jimenez. Short print auto to 75 with a purple base to 191. Mets, Brett H.E. An orange in there. And it's autoed to 10. It's actually red. Jorge Guzman. 7 of 10. This stuff is so much fun. I got a good deal on a lot of this. We'll be doing some more of it this weekend. 8 autos. And it's been loaded lately. Miami. Joshua H.A. Shed Long is actually a very good player. Cincinnati. Somewhere. Joshua H.A. Alex Fado. Detroit. Joshua, H.A. Austin Beck, Oakland Joshua, H.A. Jorge Guzman, Miami, Joshua, H.A. Here's a gold to 50 Jeter Downs. And the 4th overall prospect, Victor Robles. All right, we will have another one of those up tomorrow.